How to trade crypto on Kucoin. Easy tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to trade crypto using world's leading crypto exchange. So let's get into it. First of all, you guys can go to Kucoin.com and you will land right here on this website. Kucoin.com is world's famous crypto exchange that allows us to buy, sell, and trade crypto. On KuCoin, we have different buy crypto options. We have a huge marketplace with all of the assets that we look for. We have trading options where we can find spot trading, margin trading, trading bots. Then we have derivatives where we can find futures. We have Earn, NFT marketplace, and our own KuCoin wallet. So let me show you how to get started with KuCoin. Creating an account on KuCoin is really easy. You can sign up with your email address, set up a password, click on I have read and agree, and just click on sign up. You can also sign up with your phone number if you want. So just enter these details, set up a password, click on sign up, and you will get your own account. After the initial sign up or sign into your KuCoin account, this is where you will get. You can see on KuCoin, we have a lot of different options. We have our own wallet, and now we are good to go. So today we will actually focus on the trading part of KuCoin, where I'll show you how to do trading, spot trading, margin trading, and how to use a trading bot. So without any further ado, let's get into it. You can either directly go to the spot trading or the margin trading, or you can go to the marketplace to actually explore first, and then you can choose the trade option. So let's actually do that. I'm going to go to the spot right here, and then it will show me the spot market. You can see the market is huge with all of the different chains and coins available. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select my pair that I go for. Before we continue, I just want to clarify that this video is not a financial advice and I'm not a financial advisor. Trading in crypto, buying and selling crypto involves a high degree of risk, or whether you afford to lose money or not. So make sure that you understand what is crypto trading, how to buy and sell, how crypto trading works, and then you can get started with KuCoin. I'm giving you a beginner's tutorial about the exchange KuCoin so that I can show you what are the different features and tools you will be getting. That being said, let's continue. So what I'm going to do is, for my product, I'm going to go with Ethereum and BTC right here. This is the last price, and we're getting some other information. In order to trade, you're going to click on this trade option and it will take you to kucoin.com/trade. It will open up the trading window for you. So here we have our trading window. Now let me show you around. On KuCoin, first of all, we have our product that we have selected. So this is the product that I went for. You can always click right here and it will show you a drop down with a pair right here and a change. So I have selected Ethereum and Bitcoin here. Then we have our price. Now this is the live price for the pair that you have selected. 24-hour high, 24-hour low, 24-hour amount, and 24-hour volume. Keep in mind, the prices I am showing you are at the time of making this video. So you can see we have this one right here, which is the Ethereum and BTC. This is the one that I selected. We have our trading chart. So you know how to read a chart, but let me actually quickly give you a tour. You can select your type of chart. We have selected candles here. We have our indicators. We have some of the settings here, such as the chart properties, full screen mode you can switch to, and then we have a take a snapshot. Then we have this time right here, which time you want to go for. I'm gonna go with 1 hour, so it will give me an hourly view of my chart, or we can switch to the daily as well. Then we have some of the tools to use. We have charts and we have forks and text that we can use, trend lines to kind of like mark right here. For example, I select this one and maybe I want to mark this point right here. So what I can do is I can just do that. There you go. So this is how you will be marking different things on your chart. Then we have at the bottom, you can see we have log and auto options. I have selected log. Then moving on, this is where you will actually read your chart, and reading a chart is an important part when it comes to trading. We have an order book right here. And then we have recent trades and market depths that you can check out. So KuCoin gives us a really good chart to read. You can see like very easy not that complicated, and it gives us all of the different options. Then you're going to scroll down a little bit, and this is where you work. This is where you will actually place your order. And in here, we are getting three options. We have spot, cross margin, and the grid. These are the three options available on Kucoin. I showed you in this chart. On Kucoin, we have spot trading, margin trading, and grid. So instead of separately going to these options, you can also avail them from here. So first we have spot. Now I'll actually show you one by one. First we have spot. In spot, we have limit, market, and stop limit. You have to enter the price and amount. Now the price is going to be in your coin, and the amount is going to be in the chain that you have selected. So you can see we have Ethereum Bitcoin. So price is going to be in the chain that I have. So I'm going to go with maybe 1 BTC. So at the time of making this video, 1 Bitcoin is $19,000. Then we have amount in Ethereum. So let's say we have 2 Ethereum, or we have like 1 Ethereum, whatever amount you want to go for. You will enter it right here. Then you have to select the percentage, 25%, 50%, 75%, or 100%. We have available volume and advanced options given here. So again, we also have the price and amount that we can add right here and place our order. So if you have funds in your wallet right here, then you will be able to do the trading really easily. You can also switch to the market and the stop limit. For the market, you just have to enter the amount and select the percentage. Then we have cross margin. What happens with cross margin is that you can go to the margin section from your KuCoin as well to your margin account, and then you can switch to the cross margin right here, and you will be able to do cross margin trading. Moving on, we have grids. Now, what is a grid? Grid is actually a trading bot that helps us automate our work and that helps us earn profits without monitoring everything. So it helps us to just, give commands. And all we need to do is we just enter the parameters, we just enter the details, and then a bot is created. We create a bot, and then we don't need to keep track of everything. For example, there is a spot grid that we can create. With that, we can buy low and sell high. So you can see we have parameters. Price range will be added here. Number of placed orders, intervals, profit and grids percentage will be added here. Then we have the investment. So you have to enter the amount here in BTC. Why I am amount in BTC? Because this is the pair that I have. Then you have the percentage here available. Click on create and your bot will be created. So you can, avail this option. And then we also have futures trading available with KuCoin that allows us to trade in futures. So with the futures, you can switch to futures right here, and it will take you to kucoin.com/futures. Let me actually show you all of these options are available separately on KuCoin. With our futures, you can see futures actually has its own dashboard where we have trade future option, we have futures broad references, future bonus, arbitrage portfolios, and more. And right here on KuCoin, you can see we have spot trading, margin trading. So if I take you to margin trading, it will directly take me to my trading window. Right here, you can see this is our futures, and it's the look for all of these. The trading window is going to be similar, the chart you can see, and we have like same layout, so you will get an idea. So this is like cross margin here, and then we can switch to the grid. So yeah, guys, these are all the trading options available on KuCoin exchange. You can go ahead and check it out right now. Creating an account on KuCoin is really easy. Once you create it, then you will be able to avail all of the trading options I showed you. I gave you a beginner's tutorial on how to use all of these different tools to do trading on KuCoin. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up or leave a comment down below. Turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.